Hey guys, I just wanted to walk you through a couple trades that set up perfectly today. Here I'm looking at our basic template here, and you can see that in this area we had a nice move down, so you could have sold in this sell zone with an IT cross trade, but if you missed that, no problem. Let's just go ahead and wait for the next setup to form. At this point I'm looking at let me show you the trend lines I'm watching here. Next time price touches that trend line, I've got an eye on it. I'm looking to sell it. This is looking like it could be forming a double bottom here, but let's go ahead and wait it out since we're clearly in a downtrend. Okay, when price is bouncing up like this, I've got my eye on the sell zone, which is the space between the two moving averages. I could sell anywhere in here if I'm aggressive with a stop loss up above this swing high, or I can wait a little bit and hope that it comes up and touches with a lower risk trade. I can get in up at this trend line, wait for price to bounce up here, and then sell it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so an aggressive trader could trade right here, make this sell here with a stop loss above here. There's just not that much profit to shoot for with the target right here. So I'm going to go ahead and let it bounce a little higher and hope it gets all the way up here. And I've got my order in right here. And the market's pretty choppy so far today. Okay, I'm selling right here. Boom. Selling with my stop loss. I'm going to put it above here so it's very low risk, and you can see it's trying to get there, but we'll see what happens. Okay, as soon as price breaks below this bar, I can go ahead and put my stop loss right above here, so I'm going to move it, which makes it a very low risk trade at this point. And my first profit target is this swing low, but let's go ahead and draw a parallel trend line here so we can get an even better profit target if price moves our direction. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to it and exit this trade right down here if it hits all the way down there. I'm going to put my stop loss above this bar at this point in case it bounces up. One more, come on baby. There we go. Okay, I'm out right there. So that's a nice 3-point profit, so not bad for a little quick trade. I gotta get on the run, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off. But I'm glad we caught that. I wanted to show you in real time how to make some of these trades. That's again a perfect IT cross setup right here formed. If you missed it, then you can still take it again because price made a new low right here. And once it bounces up, your first entry can be anywhere in the sell zone. But if you want to be less aggressive and take less risk, you can draw this trend line, look for any reason to sell short, and as soon as it hit that, we sell. We have a very small stop loss up above here at the first point, and as soon as the bar takes out a low of the previous bar, that confirms that our trade was correct, so we can go ahead and tighten up our stop loss and move it right above here. And again, our profit target at first is the swing low at this point, and once price continues to tank and it shows weakness, we may as well hold on until the parallel trend line, which we first started here, we extend it from right at this point, and as soon as it gets hit here, we can go ahead and bail. And an aggressive trader could buy back here and wait for a bounce up since we're at the lower end here, and just play this channel the whole way until it's broken. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and call it quits for now. We got 3 quick points, and it's $150, so not bad. Thanks guys. IntelliTraders.com is where you can see the rest of these videos. We're trying to release at least a couple a week.